In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to blur backgrounds in Luminar Neo. If you've ever wanted to give your images a professional touch by highlighting your subject while softly obscuring the background, then this guide is for you. Let's dive into it. To kick things off, you'll want to open Luminar Neo on your desktop. Once you have it up and running, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the interface if you haven't used it before. This helps streamline the process. Next, head over to the Catalog tab. Here, you have two options. You can either select your image directly from the list if it's already in your catalog, or click on Add Photos to choose an image from your computer. Select the image you wish to edit, and once it's loaded, you're ready to take the next step. Now, click on the Edit button. This is where the magic happens. You'll transform your image by manipulating different settings and tools. Once you're in the edit mode, locate the blur tool. You can find this tool within the Creative section of the menu. Here, you'll have various options for blurring, but for today's purpose, let's go with the Gaussian blur. This is a classic and versatile type of blur that's perfect for creating that depth of field effect you're aiming for. Once you've selected the Gaussian blur, you'll see a slider that allows you to adjust the intensity of the blur effect. Slide it to the right for more blur and to the left for less. Take your time here to find the perfect amount of blur that suits your image. Remember, the goal is to make your subject stand out while the background softly recedes. Next, open the Masking tab within the Blur tool. This is your control center for applying the blur precisely where you want it. Use the Object Select AI tool to automatically select the background. This handy AI feature does a great job in most cases, but if there are areas it missed, you can refine the mask by brushing over those spots manually. If the blur has spilled over onto your subject, you can easily fix this. Switch the brush to Erase mode. Carefully paint over your subject to remove the blur from them, ensuring they are in sharp focus. Once you're satisfied with the masking, it's time to make any final adjustments. Head back to the Adjustments tab. Here, you can tweak the blur amount further, ensuring your edited image looks just the way you envisioned it. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've now successfully blurred the background of your image in Luminar Neo, bringing your subject into sharp focus and adding that professional touch. Happy editing!